Welcome back to AI Amazon, where luxury meets innovation. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of what a luxury vehicle can be: the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome Land Cruiser Edition. This is not just a car, it's a moving palace, a fusion of Maybach craftsmanship and off-road strength. Designed for those who desire ultimate freedom without sacrificing elegance, the Maybach Land Cruiser Motorhome represents the future of luxury travel on any terrain. From the very first glance, it commands attention. The exterior is a stunning combination of power and sophistication. A two-tone finish blending champagne gold and silver white, shimmering under natural light. The signature Maybach grille gleams proudly at the front, surrounded by adaptive LED matrix headlights that resemble finely cut crystals. The bold stance, sculpted lines, and elevated frame reveal its Land Cruiser DNA, ensuring capability across mountains, deserts, and highways alike. Massive 22-inch chrome wheels, integrated air suspension, and an intelligent drive height system allow the vehicle to adapt instantly to any environment, maintaining both grace and control. Chrome-accented side mirrors, retractable steps, and a panoramic glass roof enhance its modern yet timeless silhouette. As you walk closer, soft ambient lights illuminate beneath the vehicle, a welcoming glow that feels almost alive, as if the motorhome senses your presence. Every door opens silently with Maybach's signature soft close system, revealing a world of unmatched comfort inside. Step in, and you enter an entirely new dimension of luxury travel. The interior is pure Maybach perfection, a sanctuary designed for elegance, serenity, and intelligence. Fine Napa leather upholstery, hand-stitched and diamond patterns, wraps around adjustable massage seats with built-in climate control. A soft golden ambient lighting system runs through the cabin, subtly adjusting its hue to match your mood or the time of day. The interior walls are lined with sustainable fine wood and brushed aluminum accents, giving each inch a sense of artistry and craftsmanship. Above, a starlight ceiling mimics the night sky, while a panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light during the day. The living area includes a reclining lounge, extendable smart table, and hidden storage spaces seamlessly built into the walls. The cockpit features dual 15-inch OLED displays powered by the next-generation Maybach MBUX interface, providing intuitive AI-based control over every system in the motorhome, from navigation to climate, entertainment to lighting. Behind the driver's area lies a fully equipped luxury kitchenette with smart induction stove, mini wine cellar, espresso machine, and marble finish countertops. The bathroom is equally opulent, with a rainfall shower, heated mirror, and touchless temperature control. At the rear, the private suite feels like a five-star hotel room on wheels. A king-size memory foam bed, 8K smart TV, and a window view that can transition from transparent to opaque at a single voice command. But beyond its beauty lies an impressive set of technological features. The vehicle is powered by the Maybach Hybrid Energy Core, combining a V8 twin-turbo engine with an electric boost system delivering over 700 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 5 seconds, astonishing for a motorhome of this size. The intelligent all-wheel drive system and off-road terrain modes allow the Land Cruiser Edition to handle sand, snow, and rocky trails effortlessly, maintaining Maybach-level comfort even in extreme conditions. The AI-powered Maybach Virtual Assistant is your invisible co-pilot, responding to voice commands and learning your preferences. It can adjust the seat posture, recommend rest stops, control cabin scent intensity, and even monitor real-time road conditions through predictive sensors. The onboard 360-degree camera system, combined with radar and LiDAR sensors, provides near-autonomous driving capabilities, ensuring safety and precision in every movement. Connectivity is another highlight. With Starlink satellite internet integration, 8K streaming, and real-time GPS holographic navigation displayed on a 3D route hologram system hovering over the dashboard. This futuristic projection not only shows your route but reacts dynamically to obstacles, traffic, and weather. The sound system, developed in collaboration with Burmester, delivers a 360-degree spatial audio experience. Each speaker adjusts your seat position for perfect acoustics. Whether you're listening to classical music, cinematic soundscapes, or enjoying a movie night on the road, it feels like sitting inside a luxury theater. Even the air you breathe inside the motorhome is refined thanks to the Maybach interior environment system that purifies and scents the air using botanical extracts. Temperature, lighting, and even fragrance adapt to your emotional state detected by biometric sensors in the seat and steering wheel. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome Land Cruiser Edition balances power and sustainability. The hybrid engine ensures an impressive range of up to 1,200 kilometers on a single charge, and solar roof panels that contribute to battery power during daylight travel. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and advanced self-leveling suspension make long journeys incredibly smooth, no matter the terrain. Finally, we come to the price. Exclusivity always comes at a cost. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome Land Cruiser Edition starts at $1.4 million, depending on customization and interior configuration. Each unit is handcrafted and built to order, ensuring that no two models are ever identical. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a celebration of human innovation, AI precision, and timeless luxury. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring remote landscapes, it delivers an experience that redefines what luxury travel means. The Maybach Motorhome Land Cruisers Edition isn't about reaching a destination. It's about transforming every journey into art. Thank you for watching AI Amazon, your home for the world's most advanced luxury machines. Stay tuned for more cinematic explorations of the future of automotive excellence.